Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about some best music player apps that are available on Play Store. If you are a music lover and listen music very often in the day, then this music player are best for you. You might like this app. Let's start the video. Before starting video, if you are new to my channel, then please like this video and subscribe my channel for more content. Coming to number 5 is OTO Music Player, a material designed offline music player for Android. This music player has lots of features like inbuilt equalizer, light and dark theme, battery saver and system default theme, song tag editor, Chromecast support, download and edit lyrics, sleep timer and minimal widgets, and many more features also available in this app and in just 5 MB. Yes, this app size is only 5 MB. In 5 MB, it is just really good music player and really light music player. If you are looking for light music player, then you should try OTO Music Player. Number 4 is Fio Music Player. Fio Music Player is exclusively designed for mobile phone, DAC and AMP. It is local player that is more suitable for audio files. Meanwhile, it is fast audio player that support HWA Bluetooth transmission. By the way, what is HWA? HWA is next generation for the highest quality of wireless audio powered by LHDC. Ensure that most realistic and high definition wireless audio, and this is the music player have one great feature that support Wi-Fi songs transfer, making it easier for transferring your song to your friend. And Fio Music Player is best for if you use earbud or wireless things, wireless music stuff. Number 3 is Frollo Music Player. Frollo Music Player is best for its equalizer. Equalizer is really powerful equalizer, and this equalizer allow you to customize the sound to your liking. There are many presets available in this audio player, but you can also create your own preset and save your own settings. The reverb function allows to fill your music atom-free of listening to the music in the large room. Another advantage of this equalizer is its ability to change the speed of tune of music playback. And this is the best music player for its equalizer. Frollo is good music player and its interface is also good. Come to the number 2 is Stereo Music Player. If you are looking for cool and good looking user interface music player that's also supported themes, then this one is for you. Stereo Music Player is best for its user interface. It's really attractive music player and also support lots of features like lyrics view from internet, wire support, control your music from watches, widget and notification, and lots of audio format supports and many more. This music player is really famous for its themes. It has lots of themes and it is really customizable music player. Now come to the number 1 is NYX Music Player. All-in-one music player is called NYX Music Player. This app have all the feature you need in one music player. NYX Music Player is one of the most gorgeous music player that available on Google Play Store. When it comes to the feature, NYX Music Player provide the lots of different type of feature for all type of music lovers. It's have all the feature you need that one music player. So that's all for today. If you want to download this music player apps, then definitely check my blog right now. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel for more content.